In today's world, good just isn't good enough. Our ambition is to be better. We do not simply want to meet expectations, we want to exceed them. We want the quality of our products to be unprecedented. The world we are living in is complex and challenging. It is more than ever important to establish flexible concepts and ideas and to be open for innovative and progressive solutions. Our approach is simple. As a family business, we combine work with passion. We literally take our business personal. We never compromise on quality. Our high-quality standards guarantee the utmost satisfaction of our clients and the sustainability of our products. Identifying the international market's needs and establishing solutions is what drives us. We do not simply build products to deliver them to our clients. We live for what we do. Good just isn't good enough. STB, engineering at its best.